kitchen team. To make the most out of your Ninja Coffee Bar coffee, we recommend freshly grinding your coffee beans versus using pre-ground coffee. Grinding your own coffee beans right before brewing makes for the best fresh tasting coffee. Here at Ninja, we have created a grinder attachment for our Auto IQ blenders that you can use to grind your whole bean coffee. The 12 tablespoon Ninja coffee and spice grinder can be used to make various size grinds, from fine to coarse. When making a classic, rich, over ice, or specialty brew in my Ninja coffee bar, I like to use a medium grind. However, if you find this taste is a little too strong, grind for a little less time to achieve a coarser grind and milder taste. The best part about the Ninja 12 tablespoon coffee grinder attachment is that it has enough large capacity to grind enough beans to make an entire carafe of coffee. I know I've had grinders in the past that I've had to fill up a few times before making enough grounds to make an entire pot. Now, I just fill it up, grind for about 15 seconds, and now I'm ready to brew a whole carafe for my friends and family.